Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another Walmart beauty unboxing. This is the summer box. I think I finally got this down pat. This just came in the mail today. I am super excited. So for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And if you've not seen me do the Walmart beauty box unboxing, this is a quarterly subscription. It is free, but it's $5 for shipping. And I did do, they have a men's box, I believe, and I did do a one-off box at one time. It was like best of beauty. So this is the box. Just cute little summer fauna print. Their boxes are always so adorable. On the inside it says, "Embrace your beauty." Always packed with a basic little paper. Read a little tag that says, "Embrace your beauty, rate and review the summer's products." And there's the link. So right on top is by Village Naturals Therapy. Aches and Pains Cold and Allergy Relief Concentrated Mineral Bath Soak. I feel like I've gotten one of these bath salts before from a Walmart beauty box. Powerful therapeutic blend for awakening senses, rejuvenation, on-the-go relief. Epsom salt, menthol, and lemon. I don't really have allergies, but there are times that sometimes it's just the congestion, just with everything in the air. This would be good for aches and pains. So I don't really, I wish it took baths more, but this would be great for like a pedicure. I'm pretty sure that I've gotten one of these, another mineral bath soaks. I just haven't used it yet. But this is always great. It's just, you know, great for travel, you know, if you do want to take a bath. I received the Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo Oat and Delicacy. This is the third time I've gotten this in. I've gotten this from Pinch Me. I feel like I've gotten this from Walmart Beauty before. So this is a repeat. I liked this the one time I used it. It's hard, you know, I only got like one use out of this whole packet, so it's really hard after one use to really give a good impression on how it is, since it really is only like a one-time use, at least for my, you know, I have long hair, decently long hair. It wasn't bad. Tested on sensitive scalp. It didn't irritate my scalp, so that was one thing I noticed. This was great to take on vacation. That's what I used it for. I haven't used the second one that I have, but this is a repeat, like exact repeat, which is a bit like meh. Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask with and papaya extract. I feel like I've gotten this from Pinch Me too. I'm interested to try this. I typically do not like Garnier Fructis products, like the Fructis one specifically. They've gotten better over the years, but when they first came out, they tended to weigh my hair down a lot. But this says there's no silicones or parabens in it, so that's leaning towards the positive. I'm really into hair masks right now. And I really liked that I really like on the back that has the ingredients and what they're derived from. So that's really interesting. So I will give this a shot. And something to note about the Walmart Beauty Box, if you're unfamiliar, is that these are all products you can purchase at Walmart. And I really like that because there are times that you get these beauty subscription boxes and you don't know where you can purchase them after. You have to get one here, one there, or they're really hard to find, and this is great because you can just go into your local Walmart and you can find them. So they just have these little, you know, flyers about the products. These I really could do without this. I mean, these are just gonna go right into my recycle bin. I mean, they're just little informational things. This one's just about the Oat and Delicacy. protein-rich oat milk and soothing rice cream blend to form a delicate lather that coats hair in lightweight hydration. Hair is supple and softened with weightless moisturizer. And then this, the Garnier hair mask. So the papaya one is damaging, repairing. They also have a smooth frizzy hair, a nourish dry hair, protect color vibrancy, and strengthen weak hair. But to be honest, like, you know, save the planet. Just, I feel like you can not include these. Another Garnier Fructis product is a soothing 3-in-1 moisturizer, day, night, and a mask. Made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, and dyes. I've been really interested to try the Garnier Skin Actives Rose products, so I'm really interested to try this. And again, another little informational page that I could do without. Yeah, they have a facial mist I was really interested in trying, but, you know, I definitely will try this. Looks like there's a decent amount in here, too, which is great. There doesn't feel like there's a lot of air in the packet, which is wonderful. I hate when there's too much air. Another thing in here is by Kleenex. They're wet wipes, gentle and clean. There's an 8 count. Fantastic. Always great to have these. Great for your hands, great for your bum, your face, anything. I don't know if you can you use these on your bum? Face and body. So, no harsh chemicals, wet wipes, always good to have. Cannot complain about that. And then the last thing in here is by Neutrogena. It's the Hydro Boost Hydrating 100% Hydrogel Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. Really excited about that. I love a good hydrogel mask. And I like, if you can see here, that it's a 2-part mask. So you have like the bottom is separate from the top, which I always like that because it makes it easier to apply each extra step, but it just makes it fitting the face better. So really excited about the masks and the wipes. Really Garnier heavy in this box this time. But I know where to find this stuff at Garnier, at Walmart. Like, literally, I'm putting those packets right in my recycle bin right now. A little bummed that this is a repeat, to be honest. But the one thing I do like, so for the most part, we have shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, you know, a body soak. We do have, so this you can use as a moisturizer or a mask. So a moisturizer and then a face mask and then like wipes. So it's like a full body treatment. So it's like you could really like take the whole box, you know, the whole box with you like traveling, which is great. So that is it for the Walmart Beauty Box. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll check you guys out on my next one. Bye.